The reading group is once in a month for 1 hour where you come online with me. It's a live class where we would take an important topic of psychology, could be deep work, anchoring, mapping the genius, response to trauma, human coding, etc. One of these many topics. We will take these excerpts from those important books in which materials are shared and given. And we'll discuss this, give some tools, some practice, which you could take and practice throughout the week or the remaining weeks of the month. When participants attend a class with me, they're very charged, they practice, and something changes in their life. But when they go back home after many months and a year or so, they get out of being in touch with the practice of the subject. That is why the reading group is created. So come, be a part of the reading group. You can broaden your understanding of the subject, ponder on these new concepts, work on relations, health, work, equities, etc. It's a beautiful way to stay in touch with the subject. It's also a commitment to be on the path of continuous education program. And it's okay. Maybe a particular month you choose to stay absent or there is something important coming up and you miss the class. No problem. The recording will be available to you. It's a course that will simply enhance the way you look at things and relations, health especially. We'll take up all these different topics from neurolinguistics and Gestalt, from the deep work of psychology. Yeah, so come, be a part of the reading group.